Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Rancilio Silvia. We did a complete tune-up on this espresso machine, which is the group head. We descaled the tank. We also put a new reservoir in the back, worked on the valve for the steam. Checked the pressure with the expansion valve, and we have some test coffee in here, but these make great shots. Go. I'm going to just expedite things by turning on the heater for the steam. We'll finish this up. Once again, it's just test coffee, but did get a nice crema. That was a nice shot. For the steam, we're going to take a little out of the tank here, of the water, so we can create. There we go. We'll close the valve back up while that's on. We'll be waiting for that light to go off, but these are actually very powerful, and having it just clean this stuff, it should take just a second. And we're going to go ahead and do it before the light comes out, just to show how strong the steaming capability can be on these. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you very much.